1989 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe. Tune-up. Getting to the final stages. The problem, after installing the new transmission and even new points, rotor, cap and rotor. We don't have points, this is the electronic ignition. Spark plugs and spark plug wires. It was still dying at the light. So you couldn't do what I'm going to do now. We got smooth power now. Okay, the problem was, alright, this is the one I ordered. I don't think that's supposed to be sticking out there. I don't think that's supposed to be sticking out there. I think they put it in wrong. The leak was coming from the fuel pressure regulator. Alright. So, and I just got done fixing the leak on the original. Alright, the way you got to do it is you got to use these two screws. They go in like that because there's a huge spring in there. And pressing that spring together with your fingers, getting them screws in is extremely difficult. I tried it and then I realized what the screws were for. But now, got the original put back together. Powder we need. The engine has 30,000. Brand new transmission with 3-year warranty. All the road noise from the past is gone. We're finally getting the damage repaired from a deer contacting the front, but we have a new one of these, a new one of these, and a new hood now to make up for that, for meeting our little friend. So now we got a truck. So yeah, I wanted to put bucket seats in. I ended up with just a seat cover. It does look good, but it does the most important thing of all now. You can drive it. So there you go. We finally got it back on the road and running good. I stopped like 7 times and sat there and let it idle and took off again. In fact, pretty much tried to kill it on purpose, because that was why I ended up back in the shop after the first time I tried it. So, looks like we got a truck to drive. Thank you very much from Rudy Racing.